22, we're going to write the equation, guys. It's a v. What's the parent function of that? Yeah. So I know, I'll do my little setup down here. Look, I'm skipping space because there might be an a value. Just going to go ahead and set it up there. All right, that's HK. What is that ordered pair? Be careful of the scale. What is that? -4, -8. Good. What goes in here?
X is 4.
+4. Good job. X plus 4. And then, what do y'all want me to write over? Cool. All right, so remember, guys. Remember this little mapping that I asked you to write down on your Post-it. Here's the deal. I should go one place to the right and go one place up and land on the graph. If I do not, then it's a stretch or a shrink. Let's see what happens. One place over, one place up is right there. I land on the graph, so there's no stretch or shrink, which means there's nothing in front, which means we can box it in. If there was a stretch or a shrink, then I would have a number out there. Any questions on that? Yes, sir.
How do we tell if it's a reflection?
It would be open down. Like, remember how parabola is open down when x squared is negative? Same thing. All right, let's keep turning the page. We're almost done. To page 27. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to cross off problem 5, and we're going to write our very own problem. Let's pretend, look over there, which one is your favorite function? Linear? Linear is lame-o. Pick another one. Cubic. All right, we're going to have a cubic function with a horizontal reflection and shifted. I don't know. Somebody give me a number.
20.
Let's do 22. Shifted 22 units up or down?
Down.
Okay. We all are negative Nancy's. Down, down, down. Okay, so we're going to write the equation, guys. I wrote the word function. Let's use function notation. Give me a letter. Z, I think I heard Z. We're going to write Z of X equals a cubic function with a horizontal reflection. This is the first time you've seen horizontal reflections. We did not do them in Algebra 2. Look over the board. Remember, a horizontal reflection is a negative B value. Your B's go inside groups like H's. H's and B's always go inside groups. So, if we're dealing with a cubic, I have to put this negative in there with the X. And don't forget it's cubic, so put your exponent of 3 out there. The K value is still the same, though. The K value is on the outside. So what do we write after that? Minus what? Yes. Way far below the origin. Are there any questions on how I wrote that reflection? No questions on that reflection? Are you on your phone right now? That makes me sad. Look. Where am I at? Right here. Can everyone read number 6? Let me read it. Instructions on home clicks. Guys, if you logged into the online calendar, that QR code that you have on that cardstock, like that blue piece of paper, it's going to say 1.5 parent function transformation quiz for tomorrow. got a link there. It is going to be a quiz grade. It's a quizzes. You know, you log in, has that silly music, which you can mute. And it's just going to be questions over your parent functions. It's also questions over H, K, and A, and the horizontal reflection. You're not taking it in class. You're going to have all day tomorrow through all day Tuesday. You guys have a holiday weekend. It's Labor Day. If you don't want to work during the holiday weekend and do schoolwork, I don't blame you. You'll have Tuesday to do it, and you'll have tomorrow.
It's due Tuesday at midnight.
Tuesday, I believe, at 3. Tuesday at 3. And I'll remind you all of this tomorrow. I just want to give you a heads up today.
Can we do it 11?
Good question. 1 and 10. 1 and 10. Yes, baby. You need to pick up. Yes. I got that on. 1 and 10. But it's outside of school. What does that mean? That means I'm not really monitoring if you got it. Your notes open. It's so easy, guys. You'll be fine.
Is it timed?
It is. Each question is 30 seconds.
Oh, wow.
And there's 20 questions on there. Yeah, there's not a lot of time to go Google the answer on that, so you gotta be careful.
Are there any questions that like require a calculator?
No.
Okay.
Nope. There's no solving. You don't have to find X or Y intercepts. No factoring. Just stuff like this.
Just grading on factors, right? So I just think about how much time you take for each.
No. I won't even look at that. Let's go ahead and just, since you have a quiz, let's just kind of practice 4 and 6. Look at number 4. A quadratic function translated 2 units to the left and 3 units up. So for a quadratic, what's the exponent on a quadratic? What goes in here? You tell me. Indeed. What goes out here? Good. And then just write f of x equals. Oh, I was off the screen. You did a good job. Last one, square root function. Well, let me just draw my setup here. Y'all, this is a vertical compression of 1/8. Where does that go? Yeah, that's your a value. Good job. Y'all want me to write anything in here? What is in here? Yes, indeed. +1. And then go outside of the square root symbol. Yep. I'm going to pick m of x. M for Maria, because that's a cool name. All right, so guys, we are done.